Hello everyone, welcome back to the Mario Decentralized channel. Today we are going to talk about Bitcoin, Ethereum and more. On this channel we are talking about investments, trading and opportunities, how to grow our capital. Today it's not a very beautiful video. We will talk about the lessons learned in the past couple of months. As you know, I started trading with this account. You can see here now, here's the balance. It's around 23k right now. I started trading on this account and we reached just maybe like, I don't know, maybe 10 days ago, we were at 210k. So I basically 10x'd this account, and as it is very usual in crypto, I was very bullish, and even though I took profits on some trades here, we can see here I took 2k profits, then again here on my cake trade, also on my Ethereum trade I took like 16k in profits. We can see it right here. Then my unit trade I took another 10k in profits. I just got too bullish and we almost round tripped this account, even though I still have some nice gains here, 27k in profits on this trade. Then I have here 8k in profits, in losses here actually on Uniswap, which dropped significantly, guys. We opened this trade at $8.78 and now it's at $7.38, so it dropped quite significantly. Then we have here some other trades that are also going down. I'm still very bullish on VeChain, so I'm still buying a lot of VeChain in the spot market. Just right now I'm not gonna add too much to my trades right now. I think I'm quite spread in all of the sectors of crypto, but we can see here we managed to almost round trip this account, which is a lessons learned, guys. I will take this lesson and I will do it better next time, because this might be just a good lesson. Always take profits. Even though I'm saying it in every video, don't forget to take profits. Even I got too bullish. I was very bullish on the whole market, and everybody was actually saying there might come an altcoin season, and I still think an altcoin season will come, guys. Don't get me wrong, the indicators are there. Interest rates are going down right now. We can see gold is at an all-time high, the S&P is at an all-time high, so crypto will just follow. And all of these projects are actually very good projects here. I'm still very bullish on these projects, don't get me wrong, just the market is very volatile. And what I will do better, even though I was too confident in my trades, I had so many gains here that I was like, okay, I don't have to use a stop loss, I can just swing trade it. Those were like, and actually most of the positions were actually quite small. Like we can see here with the Ethereum position, I used just around 5k in margin here, but I got a little bit too bullish and I opened some more bigger positions, just also because the account was growing very rapidly and it was already very big. So for example, this Bitanswer position right now, you can see it's almost in margin, it's almost the same size as my whole account right here, but at that time it was just around 7 to 6% of my account. So it was, even though it was a bit more than what I should have used, I should have used only 1%. So I could have put, or maybe 1 to 2%, 4k of margin in this position, but I put a little bit too more into this position. So that's a lesson learned. Don't use too much margin. Always trade according to your risk reward management and ratio. It's very important. Never trade with more than 2% of your whole trading portfolio. Then we have IMX, which did actually very well. I have to say it's one of the few altcoins that is holding quite well right now. This, I think, is the only position that I opened in the past 4 weeks that is still in the profit, which is quite nice. So you have to learn also, don't open too many positions. I was just too bullish on the altcoin season. I was thinking altcoin season is just around the corner, and I still think it's just around the corner. Usually the altcoin season comes when everybody is shaken out. So this might be now the last shakeout. For me, I will, now it's already too late to close these positions. Would have been smarter to close them when all of these positions were massively in profits, guys. You remember, like just 2 weeks ago, all of these positions were massively in the profits. Right now, some of them are still in very good profit, but some of them carried also losses. And we will have to wait this out. Like now, I think market is probably going to move sideways. Maybe it's going to start moving up. I think we are very close to the bottom. We can see here Bitcoin is actually creating a double bottom here on the RSI, so we might see a breakout to the upside very soon, or at least a relief rally, because we can see here last time this happened, we also had a nice relief rally. We went from 78,000 up to 106,000, no, actually to $95,000, and then we retrace down again. So we need to be very careful. But where can we see a double bottom here on the RSI? For example, here we had some kind of double bottom, and after that we went from 69k up to 107k. So there is definitely the possibility of a big relief rally. I think we are very close to the bottom, but that doesn't mean that we should be too confident. I definitely could have traded better, guys. There were some emotions in play that could have been avoided. I could have just, even though I could have just kept my bigger positions. You can see here the small altcoins are actually not performing very well. Like for example, each position is doing well, the Bitcoin position is doing well, and also the Solana position is doing very well. Besides that, all of the other altcoins positions here, even some big ones like Sui, are in the reds right now because the market retraced quite heavily. Like Sui, I opened this position at $3.65, now it's at $3.12. So you can see here the market has been retracing quite a bit. Right now it might be a good opportunity to buy. We can see the market's already pumping. Now my account just moved around 6-7k in just a couple of minutes, so this might indicate a bottom formation. But we have to learn from this. Nobody's perfect, so we have to keep our emotions in place and trade according to our risk ratio. That's very important. For now, I'm gonna wait this out. I'm still accumulating more Bitcoin, more Ethereum, and more Solana on spot, also VeChain. But for now, I'm not gonna add to any leverage positions because I see the market is very volatile and very shaky. That was it for today's video. Thank you all for watching. Don't forget to take profits, and see you all again next time. Bye.